Well, hello. This is a test to see if this EENOUR and this is a sine wave, pure sine wave power inverter, so won't damage the unit. As you can see, 1,000 watts. It's an old AGM battery I had for like 3 or 4 years, but I kept it charged up every, much as possible. So I'm gonna see if this. You turn this on. I'll see if the watts is. I had to put up high because this came on. See, this is initiated. The charge, there you go. Battery was reading 13 volts because it was on the charger. But, I don't know if you can see it, but it should be showing. And that's the inverter running. For what? I don't know. And that's the battery voltage. Let me see if you can see it. It's not showing it. It's hard to see, I don't know why. There you go. Hold it up in the air. 12.7. Well, that's 13.0 resting, but it's an old battery. That's good. So what we're gonna do is put this on sleep mode. Let me put this on. It's in the sleep mode. And I'm gonna adjust the temperature. That's the wattage is using out of the battery. Jump down to 11. Can't see it. It's hard to see it. 216 watts being used. It's hard to pick it up. There you go. 229 is climbing up slowly. It's an old battery. It's going down to 10.9. I don't think you can run this too long, but this it's throwing too much energy out of it. But this is how much energy you use. You can see it. It's 248, 10.8, and it's hard to do it. These screens are hard to see. 259 watts. Battery voltage is hard to see. It's 10.6. Let me see if we can do it like this. There you go, 10.6, 2.68. So I cut it up. We won't go up because you're in sleep mode, but you save energy. Well, that's some nice cold air. Sorry about my hand shaking. 10.8. It's the old battery. Can't see that. Take it up in the air again. 348, 10 watt. Yeah, shut off. Yeah, this battery can't hold it. It didn't take 4 minutes to kill that battery. Alright, the experiment went bad. That's what happens when you have an old battery. Thank you for watching. God bless.